Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Global uncertainty has made gold shine brighter, despite gold exchange-traded funds registering $1.7 billion of outflows in June, the second consecutive month of outflows, but down from the $3.1 billion seen in May. A $54 billion software company is leaving London as it searches for a broader set of investors in a fresh setback to Britain's attempt to court tech. Australian company Atlassian moved its domicile to London in 2014, but is now uprooting itself again and shifting to the US. The euro was pinned at a 20-year low, licking its wounds at the end of its worst week in 2 months as investors braced for Europe to tip into recession, while markets awaited US jobs data to set the next direction for the dollar.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. Italy's retail sales at 0800 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.